going on YouTube? Got another video for you today. It's a little loud right now, like sounds windy because of these fucking fans up here blowing straight AC to the fucking warehouse or whatever. But this is my 4.7 drop. I'll show you guys around real quick. So it has 22s, and I did get some Toyo ST3s running 285 40 22s. I do need to get some shorter, the ET look nuts, I guess. I don't know what they're called, just that it sits flush with these holes. But yeah, they're the Toyo ST3s 285 40 22s. And then today I just dropped the back an inch. So with the 4.6, if you use the shackle that comes with the kit, it'll actually lift the back up a little bit. So I went ahead and took it back today, gave it my factory shackle, and I dropped the back an inch. Now it looks all even. So I got my 22s all around. I don't know if I'm gonna de-chrome this. Yeah, everything's gonna be like murdered out. I got 5% all around, except the front windshield. I'm gonna get about like 50 or 35. And it is pretty windy, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, I'm either 35 or 50 in the front windshield. I actually got a bed liner too from Linex up in Santa Clarita. Go over there, speak to Adan. He'll help you out. He's really good. Just showing you all around. The only thing about this, I think I want to get it blacked out. You guys let me know in the comments if I should keep it like red or should I black it out. Same with the Silverado, and then the Silverado lettering in the front. Just let me know. Just show you around.